In this video, I'll show you how to save prompt templates and replay old game templates. I'm logged in, so I'll go to Create, select New. This takes us to the Game Create wizard. You can adjust all these settings, and there's a handy tutorial here which shows you how to do that. We'll skip that part. I'll name my game, mainly so I can find it easily later on. Hit Create. I've now arrived in the game lobby, and you can see my game has been created successfully. This also means I've created a template. I can leave this section now and I go back to games. And if I go to templates, you'll see that that game is arrived in templates. Here it is, test game 1. So I could go into that template and I could go to casual game or assign to class, assign homework, but I can also edit the settings of that template. So I can go to edit template. This takes me back to all those same settings, and I can adjust them as I like and hit save, and I'll have a new saved game. Back to games, and the next thing I'll show you how to do is commence a game you already started, or maybe you created and didn't start it. So here we go to moderate, and here is a whole range of games that I didn't finish. So for example, this test game 1 was one we created but didn't start or finish. So I can click into that, and that will go directly into that game I was in. I'll go back to games, and the last thing I'll show you is reports. So if we go to reports, I can go back to games that I've already played. These games have been completed, so I can click into them, and I can go and view the story, but I can also go to use prompt. This has replicated all the settings that I had for that prompt, and I can replay that game with the same settings. Also, I can adjust those settings as much as I like as well. One more bonus thing I'll show you is if someone sends you a template. So I'll show you this as an example in our Discover tab. I'll go to the Hall of Fame. I've picked a game here. This was a random game, and just imagine a friend had sent you a URL of their game. What I can do is go to Use Prompt. By clicking that button, it has replicated all the settings from that game, so I can go in and name it myself, hit Create, and I can play that game as well. And it will also have saved into my templates. So there you go. That's how you can save templates and replay old games.